Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to access virtual instruments and do music on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the plus icon down below, which is the situated in the middle. As you can see, it's indicated by this red button. Go to the track type section, swipe to the right side of the screen till you find this option virtual instruments and click on it. Now you are going to see that at the top of the screen you can select from a bunch of options such as drum kits, leads, pads and so on. So tap on the one that you would like to use. And then you are going to find a bunch of options. If you are interested in any of these, just simply tap on it. Then you have downloaded that kind of instrument, so you will be able to start doing your music on the on this same page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.